Here we are again, 426 Livingston Avenue, May 14th. Paid Kevin Meyer to clean these gutters. You can see here on this one that they went on ahead and they run their hand a little bit through there. Didn't clean it worth a crap. This part wasn't touched. A little over here was. So if it was out of reach, it just didn't get done. If it needed rinsed out, it just didn't get done. This gutter is supposed to be clean. It's not even close.